Scratches can ruin your car's finish and lower its appeal. Best car scratch repair kits help restore shine and conceal damage quickly. This guide highlights reliable options designed for easy use, lasting results, and budget-friendly fixes for drivers today. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Meguiar's Quik Car Scratch Remover. Meguiar's Quik Car Scratch Remover stands out as a practical, user-friendly solution for tackling light scratches, scuffs, and paint transfer without compromising your vehicle's finish. Designed with clear coat safety in mind, this product uses microabrasive technology to gently level surface imperfections while preserving the integrity of glossy paints. One of its most appealing features is the drill-activated application system, which significantly reduces manual effort. By attaching the included pad to a standard electric drill, users can achieve faster and more consistent results compared to traditional hand application methods. This makes it particularly useful for beginners who want professional-looking outcomes without extensive detailing experience. The all-in-one kit format is another strong advantage. It includes a microfiber towel and everything needed to get started, eliminating the guesswork often associated with car care products. The ScratchX compound effectively removes fine blemishes while restoring clarity and shine, leaving the treated area noticeably improved. Number 2. Fueled Repair Car Scratch Remover. Fueled Repair Car Scratch Remover delivers a versatile and effective approach to addressing light to moderate paint imperfections. Engineered as a professional-grade polishing compound, it targets scratches, swirl marks, and scuffs while simultaneously restoring the vehicle's shine and clarity. Its formulation is particularly notable for its ability to handle deeper imperfections compared to basic scratch removers, making it a more robust option for users dealing with slightly more noticeable damage. Compatibility is another major advantage. Fueled Repair's formula is safe for a wide range of paint systems, including clear coats, single-stage, and multi-stage finishes. This broad usability ensures that it can be confidently used on cars, trucks, and even motorcycles, without concern for damaging the paint. The compound works by gradually leveling imperfections, which not only removes visible defects but also enhances the overall finish of the vehicle. Number 3. Carfidant Compound Car Scratch Remover. Carfidant Compound Car Scratch Remover is designed for users who want a straightforward yet effective way to restore their vehicle's paintwork. This product focuses on eliminating light scratches, swirl marks, and general wear while enhancing the overall appearance of the car. Its formulation includes a professional-grade rubbing compound that not only removes imperfections but also addresses oxidation, water spots, and other contaminants that can dull the finish over time. The inclusion of a buffer pad makes the application process simple and accessible. Users can apply the compound with minimal effort, and the results are typically visible after just one use. The product works by gently cutting into the surface layer to level out imperfections, which helps restore the original gloss and shine. This dual-action benefit, correction and enhancement, adds significant value, especially for those looking to improve their car's overall look without investing in multiple detailing products. Carfidant places a strong emphasis on quality ingredients. Number 4. FWZWOZO Sponge Car Scratch Remover. FWZWOZO Sponge Car Scratch Remover offers a quick and convenient solution for dealing with minor surface imperfections. Designed primarily for light scratches, swirls, and small scuffs, this product is particularly appealing for users who want a fast and hassle-free repair option. Its sponge-based application system simplifies the process, eliminating the need for additional tools or equipment, which makes it highly accessible for beginners. One of the standout features of this product is its ease of use. The included microfiber applicator allows users to apply the paste directly to the affected area, wipe away excess, and buff the surface to restore its appearance. The process is straightforward and does not require any prior detailing experience. This simplicity makes it an excellent choice for quick touch-ups at home, especially for common issues like fingernail scratches around door handles. In addition to removing minor imperfections, the formula creates a polymer protective layer on the paint surface. Number 5. ExoForma Towel Car Scratch Remover. ExoForma Towel Car Scratch Remover is a well-rounded product aimed at restoring paint clarity and addressing common surface defects. It is specifically formulated to remove light scratches, swirl marks, haze, and oxidation from clear coat finishes, leaving behind a smooth and glossy appearance. The use of microabrasives ensures that imperfections are corrected rather than merely concealed, which contributes to longer-lasting results. However, it is important to recognize its limitations. It is not intended for deep scratches or areas where the paint is significantly damaged. Testing on a small, inconspicuous area is recommended to ensure compatibility and desired results. I share helpful videos for you every day, so don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon for notifications. You'll find all product links and updated prices in the description below. If you have any questions, feel free to comment. I'm ready to reply. We've done our personal research to save you both time and money. Our top 5 list is carefully made based on ratings, reviews, quality, and durability. So, you can confidently choose the best product.